Today we're talking about the Hilife Handheld Garment Steamer. A very nice product. It's good and heavy. It's got where you can see inside here real good. What this is primarily used for is to steam out the wrinkles in garments, which we're going to try in just a minute. They say to fill this with regular water. Unless your water is particularly hard, then be sure and use distilled or filtered water. And I'm plugging this in to see how long it takes to bring to a steam. We're going to set the timer and this at the same time. Two minutes and 30 seconds, and it's got a pretty good head of steam on there. I wish you could see it. So in 3 minutes, you're steaming your garments. You see it up against the plant there, maybe? I don't know, but it's going good. So now let's try it on some garments. Some safety things I want to talk about. This is boiling water. That's hot steam. So you don't want to tilt this too far to one side or the other, or water, or even upside down. Boiling hot water will come out and it will burn you. Also, you don't want to do it, you don't want to steam your clothes directly towards your face, just in case you get too close and you burn yourself there. Just remember, everything out here is really hot. This is 212 degrees, and if that gets on you, it's gonna burn you instantly. So let's let this cool down a little bit, and we'll get some clothes up here, and I'll show you how well it works. Polyester, rayon, and spandex. And I wanna do the back. Hopefully you can see it. It's pretty wrinkly. I have high hopes for this one. Can you see up here? Yeah.
Yeah, you just gotta go slower. Wow. Nice.
That's instantly out. Now you can see this is before and this is after, and you can see it really worked on the rayon and spandex. This next one is polyester and a little bit of spandex. You see there's a wrinkle there and there. And now you can see there's no wrinkle at all. I sure hope you can see that. That's just magic. 75% nylon and 25% spandex, and there's a little wrinkle at the waistline I wanted to try to get for you right here. Just magic, it's gone. So I could see myself in a hotel room with a dress shirt and this thing and being able to be fresh and wrinkle free. Here we have an acrylic sweater that has a pretty strong crease here and here, and we gotta get this out before I take her to dinner. Haha. Look at that, it's gone. So I'm not sure if she wanted me to do a video on this or just get all the wrinkles out of her clothes, but there's no wrinkles there anymore. All right, we have a very valuable and expensive viscose shawl that has some wrinkles in it, and she is allowing me to test this, hoping it won't ruin it. If you can see, there's a lot of wrinkles right here, you can't see there. Let me raise you up just a little bit. Right here, oh. Right here, and right here. That's what we're going for. Okay, this one, it does pucker it up a little bit. I'm gonna take the brush part off carefully. All right, so I took the brush off because it seemed like it was pulling the fabric just a little bit, but it's still kind of puckery right here. See that? You can't see this down here. The wrinkles are gone, but the
I'm gonna go down?
yeah.
Perfect.
Very nice. All right, so it does work on it. Let that dry for a while, it'll be just perfect. All that work has been running the whole time, and it used about half of the water. Turn it off, let it cool down completely, dump it out, dry it off, and it even came with a reusable cord tie, so that once you roll up the cord, you can put it in your suitcase and travel with it. So in summary, this thing works. It gets the wrinkles out. I really like this. I think you will too. Thank you for watching.